So hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. And yeah, one more thing, right now in our previous videos we discussed about the Capgemini, Zoho and Wipro off campus drive. So these companies are doing the mass recruitment or mass hiring right now. So I would request all of you to apply for these companies if you are eligible. So I'll be putting these links or the application links in the description of this video. For these three off campus, you can apply for these companies before they get or the job profile gets expired. So today in this video I'll be discussing about this Relabel platform again. So I think most of our viewers or the regular viewers might have seen that most of the time I have discussed about this Relabel platform, because personally I like this platform because here anyone can apply for the companies irrespective of his or her percentage or branch or year of pass out. Here two things matter. First one is your skill. If you are a fresher, then definitely your skills, and second thing is your experience. That means if you are well enough or well prepared, or if you are proficient with any backend or front end or any technology or skills, then definitely you will be able to get placed in very good companies like Urban Company, Zoomcar, CureFit, etc., Razorpay, etc. So here there is an announcement regarding this Relabel platform, because in the previous videos I discussed about the if you are willing to apply or willing to log in or register in this Relabel platform, you need to register and you have to pay 1990. That means approximately 2000 rupees you have to pay, and 10% discount will be getting by the help of certain coupon codes. But right now what they have done here, it is totally free of cost. That means you need to pay nothing in order to apply or register in this platform. That means 0 rupees you will be doing the investment, only investing your time and your skills you need to have. Register for free. Here you can see it is written that register for free. Free of amount or free of cost it will be. So now let's discuss about how to register in this Relabel platform. So here before moving further, today we'll be discussing about only the registration process. So the new viewers will be thinking what is the selection process, how to prepare, and what is the syllabus, etc. Here if you see, totally 4 videos are there regarding the backend development, for the front-end development, what is the syllabus, probable questions, how to prepare, etc. Everything I have discussed here. So I'll be putting the link of this playlist in the description of this video. Go through the playlist and prepare well, and you can definitely crack the interview. So now let's discuss how you can attend. So the popular tests are like business development executive or BDE profile, front-end development and the back-end development. So now let's discuss about what are the different selection process. Back to basics, that means basic MCQ questions will be there, 45 minutes maximum. Then assess your algorithm, 3 algorithm questions will be there, you need to solve. Create your feature, that means the problem statement will be there, you need to solve these questions as per, by the help of any front-end or back-end technology or back-end language. Then optimize your feature, that means you need to do certain modifications as per the business requirement. Then face the interview, that means online, technical and the HR interview will be there. So totally there are 5 rounds, and these are the normal rounds. So totally the total mark will be 1000 mark, and out of 1000, if you want to get placed in good companies, minimum you have to score 700 marks. It is easy. I am not telling that only you need to secure 700 minimum 700. No, it is nothing like that. But it will be in the safe side or the safer side. So now let's discuss about the registration process. So first of all, during registration you need to simply click on the register for free. After that it will be asking you your phone number, and the OTP will be sent you to your registered phone number. After verification you need to provide your full name and your email address. this is that's it. They will not be asking you regarding your upload your resume, etc. These things does not matter. Only one thing will be mattered here is your skill, whether you are able to score more or not. So after registering, if you see like this is the another account I am using right now, Surkirit Pandey. This is my for video making purpose I have used this Gmail ID. So totally if you see like business development test, front end test and the back end test, and salary, these are the like salary ranges. Suppose I am choosing back end development test because I like back end development. So register for free, you need to click on the register for free. After registering yourself in the account, if you see like this is my profile, that means here it is showing me log out. That means I am logged in into my account right now. So upcoming slots, so here you have to book the slots and take the test from your home itself by using a laptop or desktop or any other system or medium. So here there are August 31st 32 slots are there. For 4th September only one slot available. For 9th September 9 slots. Like this you need to choose any date. So suppose I am choosing 21st September 2022. Then select the test date. So after that what you have to do, start the recording. So here you need to submit your video resume to confirm the test date. So what will be happening, they will be giving you 3 minutes of time. In that span or duration you have to just tell, like it is kind of tell something about yourself, basic things you need to tell about yourself, and click on the submit. One more thing here, if you are not comfortable at the first go, or if you can see say like if you are not if you are thinking like in the first round you are not able to give your best, then no problem, you can again retake the video, start the recording and again try to submit. You can try as many times as you want. After that, after you are satisfied, just click on the submit button, then your date will be fixed, and on that day you need to take the test from your home itself. Yeah, it is a if you see, these are the 5 selection process or the 5 rounds. Where is the, yeah, these are the 5 rounds or the 5 steps. These 3 rounds will be happening in single day. Create your feature. After that, these 2 things, optimize your feature. This is kind of technical interview, and the face the interview, it is like HR interview or the MR interview. These 2 things will be happening later, but these 3 things will be happening simultaneously or in the same day only or same date only. So this is all about the Relevel platform, about the registration. So it is totally free of cost registration, but I suggest all of you to apply or register in this platform as soon as possible. So I'll be putting this registration link in the description of this video. Register yourself as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.